Alright, this is how to do a restoration on a headlight. You can tell, how fade away. You see how nice it is. Look on the top because that's covered by the hood. Look how foggy, how yellowish, fade away by the sun. I use a sandpaper. In this case, 1,000 grit. I use wet sand, with the water. Spray a little bit of water, and masking tape with a paper towel around the you want to protect the car, the paint and other things. And I wipe down with the glass clean, and I use a clear coat. Make sure you use gloss clear coat. Okay, and I shake really well, and I do a little test on the paper towel, make sure it's spray okay, and I go, gently, lightly, side by side, not overdo, don't let the running, and I do let it dry for a little bit first, before the second coat. Same thing on the other side, exactly the same thing. So side by side again, no overdo, and I let it dry between coats. So 10-15 minutes, depend how the temperature, and I go back and forth. 2 coats normally is enough. You know what I mean? You do 2 coats on each side. You see the result already. You see that's the before, and that's the after, the ending result. Thanks for watching.